Hello everyone. Today we are going to boost the FPS for games. So if you have any issues like random FPS drops in games, Windows 10, if there is a sudden FPS drop in games, especially in your laptop or a desktop, so we will fix FPS drop and we will increase the FPS. Make sure you watch the whole video, and at the end of the video I'll share a system optimizer absolutely free which you can install it for better performance. So let's get started. At the left hand side you just need to click on start and go to run, and here we need to type regedit. I'll zoom this thing, so you just have to type regedit and then click on OK. Once you do that, it will ask you to say yes and a new window will pop up. We just have to maximize it so that we can see properly. I'll just minimize this thing so that we can start from scratch. So here what we need to do is we need to go to local machine, H key local machine. So I'll just expand it, and then we need to go to software. So I'm speaking slow just because of you guys can follow. So I'll expand this software, and here we are looking for Microsoft, and I'll expand that as well. And here we are looking for policy manager, so I'll select any of it and I'll type P and I'll scroll it down. I see the policy manager. So once I select the policy manager, I'll expand this and we need to go to current. Now I'll maximize the current as well, and here default, and in the default, and here we are looking for application management. So I'll just maximize this and I'll just drag this so that we can see all these things clearly. Now here we are looking for allow Game Dvr. So here we just have to go to value and just do a right click, go to modify, and whatever the value is there, make sure you enter 0 and then click on OK. So once you do that, the FPS drop will be fixed, and if there are low FPS issues, the FPS will definitely boosted. Once this is done, we will move to the next step, and I'll just minimize it. Now this time we need to go to H key current user. Now here we are looking for system, so I just found it. I'll maximize that, and then we need to go to game config store, and then I'll just click on that. I'll just click on game config store, and at the right hand side I see many options, so we are looking for Game Dvr enabled. I'll just do a right click, I'll click on modify, and again here I'll type 0 and hit OK. So once you do that, just restart the computer and see if there is a change in the FPS. Is it working better or not? And now let's move to the next step, which is the free system optimizer, the free system cleaner. For that you just have to type a shampoo. I'll just maximize this so that you can see. In the Google you need to type a shampoo free optimizer and then hit enter. The moment you hit enter, you will get ashampoo.com. So I'll just click on that, and free full version can be downloaded here for Windows 10, Windows 8 and Windows 7. Now using this will also remove all the junks, and the performance will be better and FPS will be also better. So if you have a good configuration computer, I would recommend to use this. And if you want to see how exactly by the numbers users are 20 millions, download 5 lakh per month, used by 160 countries, and experience has over 21 years. So you can use it for free absolutely. And let me know in the comment section if you have any issues, and if it has worked for you. I really need your support. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next useful video.